My name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about binary search working. How the binary search used to work. Binary search is a searching algorithm used to find the position of an element in a sorted array, which means that it is an efficient searching algorithm used to find the position of a target element, which we called as key, in a sorted array. Either it is in ascending or descending order. It works by repeatedly dividing the search range in half, then reducing the time complexity to O log n, which is much faster than linear search for large data sets. Let's start with the binary steps, binary search steps. This is in ascending order. Set the two parameters, which is low equal to 0 and high equal to size minus 1. Then we will find the middle, mid equal to low plus high divided by 2. Then we compare the array mid with the key. This means that key is found. Like three conditions are there. If equal, then key is found. If key is less than array mid, then search left half. If key is greater than array mid, search right half. Repeat steps 2 to 3 until the key is found or the range becomes invalid, which is low is greater than high. Now, let's learn it from one example here. This is one array, we need to search 10 element. Now, let's start. These are the like three steps which we will cover here. Zero, 6, 3, 8. So how we will do that? Which is the middle one? We need to check it. Now, here the middle one is 8 and 10, right? 10, we need to find 10 only. Now we will search if 8 is the middle one, right? So what we will do, we'll check with if 10 is the search element, it is greater than the middle one. Yes. So if it is greater than the middle one, then where we will go? Key value is 10 and this is greater than the array mid. So we will go to the right side. We will go to the right side. So right side is this one, 0, 6, 3, 8. This one, like 10, 12, 14. Now, in this, 12 is the middle one. We will again compare. 10 is less than, now this is 10 is less than the 12, which means key is less than array mid. We will search now left. What we will do left here, what we have done then 4, 4, 4, which means these are the positions which we are checking. Now 10, we found the 10 because it is in the middle one. Now this means that we are able to search the element. Let's take one example, real life example, which means zebra. You don't read every page. What you do, you go into the middle, then decide If Z will come, write half, right? And repeat it. That's the binary search. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank